From this video, we move to the third part of the thematic guides for Manim. This part is we are specifically focusing on the text as well as a formula. Formula is you can treat that as our type of the special way of the text. And there's a two way to draw the text. One is using the LaTeX, and also is without using the LaTeX. If you watch the video from beginning, you may remember when we install the Manim, the LaTeX is our additional library we want to install that as well, and we also use some examples to show you how to show this formula already. Within this guide portion is let's do this in more detail and analyze how Manim is dealing with the text. So the part is we're starting from text without LaTeX. So on this part is we will do this overview. So there's two type of this text without LaTeX. One is directly go to this text that is using this Pango. Another is using this markup within the Pango. So let's look at we do this two type of the sample. One is just our big text hello world. Another is you can see we adding some style, different colors. So let's look at here. So there's two different way by which you can render text. One is using the Pango. We see that is the text without LaTeX. Another is using the LaTeX. Its code is text underscore m object, no t. So that is the different this method. If you want to render the simple text, you should either use text or markup text, so that you don't need to use the LaTeX. But we will also come to the LaTeX specifically later. So text without LaTeX is the simplest way to add those wording or text into your screen. So using the text class, it will use this Pango library. So if you right click, this is Pango is coming to here. This link is not able to be reached from this reference guide. So to fix that is I have gave you this one. So using I think it's I have those one. Yeah, here. Uh, if you expand this video's text is instead of this pango.gnome.org, actually this link is already put into the GitHub. So you should come to this one, github.com is gnome and Pango. From here, you can get this source code. If you have interesting, you can read this and from Pango you can also see the Carrios this relationship. Then with Pango you can also render non-English alphabets like Chinese, Japanese, Korean, or those are some these are Arabian, the type of those the characters. We're starting from the simple one. So let's see, this is the number 3 parts. I will create a new folder. So number 3, text and the folder, formula, and let's see the another folder is the one text without LaTeX. And we may have two. So later on, we will have number 2 is the text with LaTeX. So, and we will do this one. So let's see the first one. So I also create a sample. So 2.3, 1, 1. Just for this hello world, let's create the new file. So why I put so many folders is because every this Manim they create some media for subfolder. So I don't want is that mix to show you is mislead. So let's do this very simple hello world animation. So we have that is from Manim import the star and class hello world, and with this as the scene. So now I hope is you're familiar with those part and the def construct with the self, and very simple text. We can use the text library, and from here we can put our hello world, and with the font size, not give that too so big, just give 50. And we make that static. So use add, not use the play. So that will have this text to be added. So let me create my Python. And then the Manim 2, 2.3, and then 1 is this one. We only have this one for now. So Manim PQL is the hello world, hello world. Let's look at here that generate different folders. Yeah, I can see here I should get our image after that done. So, oh, it's not here. I think it's the first they create a text object. So this one is our SVG file. So that is the vector-based file. And here you can see the hello. So it's not pop up the automation automatically display. So that's fine. So you can put, let's see. So that is my text one, text 1, text 2. So if I want to put text 2, so text 2 equal to and also text I like Manim, and the font size equal to 80. So what you can imagine is a render. So you can guess is we just keep adding them, but I suppose is we get two object fine, but they will be overlapping. So if you don't make them positioning, so we can see here is the move to up. I think it's we should have the up times 2. I think it's the unit. Let's see whether this syntax is correct. Yeah. So every this number is built as our this kind of the unit type part, and we can see here is next to text 1, and let's see the right. So let me see here. Oh, no, not from here. So I cannot do that code runner. Sometimes I just mix those wordings. You can see, so now you can also arrange this. I put home hello world is up to unit, and I put I like Manim is in on the right of this hello world. So but this one is actually not nice because you cannot see the complete one. So just move this hello world is go to the upper is enough to see these two. So that is the first simple example that you can use text class. Just put this the content and give us size. And then let's use another markup text which allow the use of the Pango markup. Markup means is you can use similarly like the HTML based. Then you can put some tags into your code. So let's go to back to here, and I create our 2.3 1 2, and then I create a new file that is the single line.py. So from Manim import everything class single line color, and then def construct self. And with that is we will have our text equal to markup text. M and the T should be the capital. Then because it can be long, so you can use this enter and put those in the same line. So I think it's that it just go to the color. So with the F O in red, span FG is the foreground color, equal to this SR yellow, and let's see where is my left double quotes. Here I should have the double quotes and with this tag. So and except this with the span. And if I don't have that is let's see, this is the yellow. Whether we get we don't set another color, that should be white. Self add text. Let's run that. So back 2.3 1 2. So now I will have Manim PQL, yeah, and then single line color. So ensure you type your class name is correctly and complete. So now let's observe here. So within media, we have image, text, video. We have this one, and we generate this. So without we mention the red, so it's default like it's the white. So every comma you can have another line, so that is not go to too long. So let me see whether purple is also our recognized color. I believe so. So that is the purple, and these are the exceptions. So except that these are the red, yellow. So we put this one. So because we can use some tag, then we can put them here. So and you can set the overall markup text with a certain color. So that is just the two way you can compare to add text. So very simple way is just the text. And let's see if I here is if I see color equal to red, it's like this one. So let me back to here. I should have is my hello world. Let me run this, whether this I like Manim can be painted into the different color. So that is the same. So you can see whether you want to use markup text or you want to use text. It's depending on the content of your the text or this sentence, whether you need to have some additional CSS style based setting. If you want to do that, is you can choose markup text. So with that is I have show you this lecture 030 as the beginning of this text without LaTeX. And you can see here we will have several parts is talking about the those working with text, and just our a small part is talking about the markup text, because you learn how to use text. You just need to add certain markup styles, then that will be fine. So we will talk one by one with those in more detail. So see you in this working with text. Bye for now.